No matter which application you use, what you have is you got menus to access out different functions of the application. For example, if I were to open up the File Explorer right here, on the top you can see the menu right here. So you can go around over here, see View option and so forth, as you can see. Similarly, if I were to go around and right click, you got different options right here in particular applications. Another example is, let's say for example, if I were to open up Notepad, then what happens is that you got the menu right here on the top. So over here, similarly, if I were to open up WordPad over here, so I'm just going to go around and open up WordPad. On the top, you can see the file menu and a lot of other ribbon menus, as you can see over here as well. So what you need to do is look at the top area while you're using up any application inside of Microsoft Windows, and then you will see menus for that particular application. So this works for a lot of different applications. Let's say, for example, for calculator, the menu is on the top right here, top left side. You can see that you can select out different sort of calculators over here. You can go around over here. And let's say I'm going to go for alarm and clock right here. So it is actually updating the alarm and clock because it is the first time that I'm running this application. And it's downloading the update for it. So it's updating the application right here. And now the alarm is running. So let me just go around and press get started. So over here on the left side, you can see the menus right here. You can see the settings, you can see the timer, the alarm, the stopwatch, the world clock right here, just like this. So you can go around into settings right here and access out menus for this particular application. Similarly, for mail, for calendar, for paint, let's say for example, it is the same case over here. On the top, you see all the menus. So that is how you can work around with menus inside of Microsoft Windows. So what you got to do is look either on the left side or on the top side, and that is where you can access out different tools for you to use in applications in Microsoft Windows 11. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.